In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tasks uncompletable using a neat hack in most note-taking apps. This technique can be particularly useful when you want to indicate tasks that are either ongoing or don't require completion, keeping your to-do list tidy and efficient. So let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly achieve this on your Todoist account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the login page of Todoist. You can do this by typing in app.todoist.com login into the address bar and pressing enter. This step ensures that you're directed to the correct authentication page where you can securely access your account. Once there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. First, type in your email address in the designated field. Make sure you carefully input your details to avoid any login errors. Following that, proceed to the password field and enter your password. Again, accuracy is key here to successfully access your account without any hiccups. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker login process, you can simply click on the Continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple options. These alternatives allow you to breeze through the authentication process if you have linked these services to your Todoist account, saving you time from manual entry. Now that you're logged in, it's time to add a new task. Look for the prominent plus button on your screen, which is typically used to create new tasks. Click on it, and a new task entry field will appear, allowing you to input the details for your upcoming task. This is where the real magic happens. To make a task uncompletable, simply add an asterisk followed by a space at the beginning of your task name. This subtle yet powerful trick works like a charm. By doing this, the checkbox that typically appears next to tasks is removed. This effectively makes the task untickable, meaning it can't be marked as completed. It's perfect for tasks that are perpetual, or ones you want to have as reminders without the pressure of completing them. This methodology not only helps you manage your tasks more efficiently, but also keeps your task list visually clean. It's a simple adjustment that can have a significant impact on how you organize tasks that don't necessarily need closure. By integrating this technique into your routine, you can enhance your productivity and maintain focus on tasks that do require completion, ensuring that your to-do list reflects your true priorities. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've learned how to make tasks uncompletable in your note-taking app, creating a more streamlined and focused list. Try it out and see how it transforms your task management approach. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy productivity tips.